Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove image background in just few seconds. You don't need any Photoshop skills or graphic design background. You can remove the photos like this, just in a few seconds. Just go to Google and type remove image background, and then you click in this site www.remove.bg, and then you click here remove background and then upload image. I will choose this image. As you can see now, it's already removed the background. It takes only few seconds. And then just I click download. And then I can save it. This is what you need to do if you want to remove image background. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and have a good day.